the Jaques slip joint folder pocket knife from MKM. The Jaques is an elegant and compact slip joint folder with half stop, also featuring fat carbon handles with a titanium structure, wire pocket clip and Wharncliffe blade. Weighing in at 64.7 grams, a folded length of 9.2 centimeters, 16.1 centimeters open, with a blade length of 70 millimeters and a cutting edge length of 63 millimeters. Coming in really close for a look at the blade in MagnaCut. Titanium for the structure of the knife, fat carbon handles. And how sharp is the cutting edge on the MKM Jaques? 241 grams.